Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest, in-depth product insights. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best 3/8-inch nap 2-pack paint roller on the market. The HANJKINZ 50-pack microfiber paint roller kit. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, this product could be a serious game-changer for your painting projects. They're made with high-quality microfiber that's designed to hold more paint, reduce splatter, and deliver smooth, even finishes. The microfiber used here is soft but dense, making it ideal for picking up and applying paint smoothly. What stands out is the high-density fiber construction. You'll notice it doesn't shed like cheaper alternatives, which means no annoying bristles in your fresh coat of paint. The roller frames themselves are solid and sturdy. They're built with enough tension to keep the rollers locked in place during use. You won't find the covers slipping or popping off mid-job, which is a huge relief during long sessions. We tested this roller kit on various surfaces, wooden doors, window trims, moldings, and furniture, and the results were seriously impressive. The 3/8-inch nap gives you great coverage on semi-smooth surfaces. You can use this with all kinds of paints and stains, latex, acrylic, oil-based, you name it. Even better, the microfiber covers work well for both primer and finish coats. You get that consistent, streak-free application, even in tight corners and decorative moldings. Cleaning up is a breeze. Just remove the roller covers, rinse thoroughly with water, and they're good to go again. This reusability adds huge value to the kit. Instead of burning through disposable rollers every few days, this set is built to last. Plus, you'll appreciate how easy it is to swap covers between colors or finishes. Great if you're working on a multi-color project or doing layered coats. If you're a home renovator, furniture flipper, or simply someone doing touch-ups around the house, this kit fits right into your workflow. It's also an excellent option for professionals looking to cut costs without compromising quality. The dual-size roller covers make it versatile. You can handle tight spaces with the 2-inch rollers and cover more ground with the 4-inch ones, all without needing a bulky roller setup. For under $20, you're getting high-grade microfiber rollers, durable frames, and an all-in-one kit that'll serve you across multiple projects. So if you're hunting for the best nap 3/8-inch paint roller in a compact, powerful kit, the HANJKINZ 50-pack might just be what you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. This is Product Critique, where products get the spotlight they deserve. See you in the next one.